Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Unstoppable. I'm so glad you're here today. Hello, friends. I'm excited too. Today we're going to talk about something very important: phone habits.
Maria, have you ever thought about it? The phone is in our hands, but sometimes it feels like we are the ones being held by it.
Yes, John. Sometimes it feels like magic. You open it for just 2 minutes and somehow hours disappear.
Exactly. We always say just a little bit, but that little bit steals the most valuable hours of our day.
And the funny thing is, we know we're wasting time, but still, our fingers move on their own.
Because the phone didn't just become a habit, it became a feeling. When we're bored, we reach for it. When we're alone, we reach for it. Even when we're happy, we still reach for it. It's like it's woven into every emotion we have.
Sometimes I feel like we live through it. Wake up, phone. Eat, phone. Sleep, phone. And when it's not in my hand, it's like something's missing.
Yeah, and that's the scary part. It happens so quietly. No alarms, no warnings. Just slowly, softly, and time slips away.
You know, John, we used to talk to our friends. Now we just watch them. We used to feel the breeze outside. Now we just double tap someone else's photo of it.
Yes, that's the real loss. We're alive, but we've forgotten how to feel life. Moments that used to be real are now just stories, reels, and likes.
And by the end of the day, you think, I don't even know what I did today, but I feel exhausted.
Yes, because your mind is full, but your soul is empty.
That hits deep.
Maria, phones aren't bad. They were made to help us. The problem is, we stopped using them and started living through them.
So what do we do then? We can't just throw our phones away. We need them for work, for everything.
You're right. It's not about quitting. It's about control. Your phone should stay in your hand, but it should never hold your mind.
I can feel that. The days I use my phone less, I feel lighter, calmer, almost like I have more time to breathe.
That's it. That's the moment you take your power back. That feeling means you're in control again. And once you feel that, you realize how much peace was waiting for you all along.
So that's our goal today, right? Not to hate the phone, but to help people find themselves again beyond the screen.
Exactly. And if you're watching this right now, maybe you're searching for the same thing. A little more peace, a little more focus, a little more you.
I think a lot of people will feel this today. Because deep down, we all know, life feels better when we're present. We just need someone gentle enough to remind us.
And maybe that's why we're here. You, me, and Speak Unstoppable. We're not here to lecture anyone. We're just here to bring back the light that got lost behind the screen.
So what's the first step, John?
Just stop for a moment. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, is my phone controlling me, or am I in control of my phone? If that question makes you pause, then your journey has already begun.
You know, John, sometimes I open my phone just to check one thing, and suddenly, half an hour is gone. It's like falling into a tunnel, a scroll tunnel.
Yeah, that endless scroll. It's designed to keep you inside, not for a minute, but for hours.
And it works. You scroll and scroll, but it never feels enough. There's always one more video, one more post, one more laugh. And when you stop, it feels empty.
That's because your brain gets small hits of pleasure every time you scroll, tiny moments of happiness that fade too quickly. So you go back for more and lose track of time.
It's strange, isn't it? The more you scroll, the more disconnected you feel. From people, from nature, even from yourself.
Because the screen gives you stimulation, but not satisfaction. It gives you information, but not peace.
Sometimes, I feel like I know everything that's happening in the world, but I don't even know what's happening inside me.
That's a powerful truth, Maria. You're not alone. So many people feel that emptiness, that quiet ache after hours online.
It's like being surrounded by millions of voices, but still feeling completely alone.
That's because connection isn't built by scrolling. It's built by living, by presence, by silence, by real conversations like this one.
Yeah, maybe that's what we're all missing. Not more noise, but a little silence.
Exactly. Silence is not empty. It's full of answers.
I love that. Silence is full of answers.
When you put your phone down, the world doesn't disappear. It starts to appear.
That's so true. And maybe that's how we escape the scroll tunnel. Not by, all right, Maria, now that we understand the scroll tunnel, it's time to talk about 3 small habits that help us take control back whiting it. But by walking out, slowly, mindfully.
Beautifully said, Maria. It's not about running away. It's about returning to yourself. All right, Maria. Now that we understand the scroll tunnel, it's time to talk about 3 small habits that help us take control back.
I'm ready. Let's hear them.
Habit 1. I call it the morning gate. Don't let your phone be the first voice you hear in the morning.
Whew, that's hard. The first thing I do every day is check notifications.
Most of us do. But starting your day with noise means you lose control before your day even begins. So for the first 15 minutes after waking up, don't touch your phone. Drink water, stretch, breathe. Let your thoughts wake up before the world rushes in.
Wow, that actually sounds peaceful. Like giving my mind a small gift before chaos begins.
Exactly.
What's next?
Habit 2. The island hours. Give yourself 1 hour a day that's completely phone-free.
1 hour? That's long.
At first, yes. But think of it as a small island in your day. A quiet, safe place where your mind can breathe.
I like that. So it's not about punishing yourself. It's about creating space for life to happen again.
Exactly.
So what's the third habit?
Habit 3. The night goodbye. Put your phone away 30 minutes before bed, on silent, away from your pillow.
That sounds peaceful.
The last thing you see before sleeping should be something real, not a screen.
So it's not no phone life. It's balanced phone life.
Perfectly said. You're learning to drive your day, not let your phone drive you.
I feel lighter.
And that's where real change begins.